Look at that. Oh.
Sprinkle castle.
We haven't even hardly got on the beach yet. There's the sand dunes.
And it's a sprinkle castle.
Look at this.
Grandma,
And that's how you get to the beach, through there. There's two little gaps. There's one there and one there. But they both lead into the same thing. Don't throw sand, it's really windy though. And there's Cruz making sure the beach is all his own. He's such a good boy.
Cruz, it's Cruz, it's Cruz. What you like on Halloween? Sitting on a castle.
You're sitting on the castle.
I'm making a pancake.
You're making a pancake castle. Ta-da!
That's a castle.
Look, there's some sky rats.
Where?
There somewhere. There somewhere. I can only see them in real life, not through the lens.
Where are they?
Hi, Cruz. He's a good boy.